Wow, guys, it's dry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I posted a video on this washing machine. A lot of you guys like it. I got a lot of questions about how you can use this machine manually without tap to wash my clothes. I'm come to do a vivid video for you guys on how you can use this type of washing machine. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so I have this bedspread. I have my straight dress, a little bit heavy. I have this straight dress in. I have this dress. Basically, I'm washing my clothes in mix of my jean skirt, my towel, my bedspread, literally everything in here. Okay guys, yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the Hachima 12 kg washing machine. This is where, if in case you are washing blankets, heavy duty area. And because I'm washing these jeans, it's a little bit heavy, and my towel. So it includes the heavy duty stuff. I have a bed sheet also in. I have jeans. Yeah, in case you are washing overall. And here is a space you want to soak your clothes before you wash. So the RR is soaked, the BB is washed, the CC rinse, DD is spin. Then it comes to the water level. Your water level will determine how you are going to wash it. If the water level is not up to the amount of the clothes, your machine is not going to work. Okay, yeah. So if in case you are washing soft clothes like handkerchiefs, socks, you can use low or medium water level. But for me that I'm using this, I'll go for 7 out of 8 because I'm using high level of water because I'll be using a lot of heavy duty. Here is the delay start or the program outline. This program control the 8 over the colorful thing. Yeah, so here is the main programming that you have to program your thing. It is on standard. We have soft wash, we have quick wash, we have heavy duty, and then soak wash. And we have our start button or pause. Then if you come to the top here, we have wash only, we have spin only, we have to clean, and we have top air dry and water recycling. We have quick wash here, we have shirts, we have t-shirts, we have pajamas, and casual shirts. Basically, here is the program outline of the machine. Okay guys, so let's get our water in and start washing our clothes. If in case you have any question concerning this automatic washing machine, kindly leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Thank you guys. So basically guys, I use 3 buckets of water. So have you seen the water level now? You can see there's water in it. Yeah, so I'm about to pour in the detergent. Make sure you are using a mild detergent or detergent that is prescribed by the machine. You can use liquid soap or any warm detergent. Basically use good amount of it. But there's no need for you to put your hand in and massage the clothes. No, put everything in. The machine will do justice to everything. But me, I wanted to skip the soak area of the machine. That's why I did it that way, to save electricity. Okay, but you can just put everything in and it will do it for you. So after you are done plugging your machine, then you come to the power button, then you on the machine. Have you seen it has come to 01? Yeah. So we are now going to program it for the machine to work perfectly for us. So you check your water level. Have you seen water level is 6L, but that means it's in the medium. Okay. So here I want to do a standard wash. If you are doing the standard wash, is 01. Have you seen the machine has turned 01? The soft wash, then you click on the program again, the machine will turn to 2. That is the soft wash. If you want quick wash, you click on the program again, the machine will turn to 3. Have you seen it? Yeah, so it's just the program that you are going to use to control the machine. So you click on it again, you see it has come 2. That means you are going to do soft wash. Click it again, 3 means you are going to do quick wash. 4 is heavy duty. 5 is soak wash. Have you seen it, guys? 6 is wash only. 7 is spin only. 8 is top clean. 7 is in that order. But now we are going to do standard wash because I have heavy clothes in, I have medium clothes, I have lightweight. So I'm going to do a standard wash, and I'll set my time to, I think, 30 minutes or so for everything to begin. Yeah, so now my things are ready, and then let's click on the start button. So we are doing a standard wash. You click on the program again, and then you have to turn it to 1. Then it starts working. I later set the timer to 45 minutes. I want everything to wash very, very well. Yeah, I have a dress in whereby the neck was very dirty. I'll show you when it's done washing. Let's wait and see the outcomes. Here is where it will spin, the drainage will come from, okay? So let's hear the sound of the machine. The sound of the machine when you want to spin. So guys, left it 8 minutes to finish, but I think it was okay, so I stopped it. Let's check in and see how it went on. Yeah, so see, kindly check it, guys. Look at this spread. You can't even feel any water, like you can't feel any water in this outfit. Like everything is dry, basically. Like you can't even feel water. You just check the heavy one, scrub it. It's dry. Just look at this towel. The light, it was getting late, so I think the light was not doing justice to this towel, but this towel is dry. Just look at my hand. You won't even feel any water in it. I'll just hang it around my room, and then by the next day everything is dry. There's no need for you to dry them in the sun. And what I like about this is that it smells so nice. The outfit still smells so nice because of the product. Unlike the one you dry them in the sun and the air will take all the fragrance. This one, the fragrance still remains. Thank you guys. Here is the outfit that I was talking about. Because of the week I wore that day in the product, the neck was very dirty. But after it's done washing, kindly check it out. So clean. Guys, I'm so excited about this machine. Like life changer, guys. I'm so excited because it has to wipe all my bedding.